So today we will start structure and naming of organic compounds. Alkene. The type is alkene. So we know the formula of alkene is CnH2n plus 2. To get the structure and naming, you have to remember this formula of alkene, which is CnH2n plus 2. Now here you can see two columns. The first one is elements and second one is prefix. Now what do you mean by prefix? Prefix is something which is written before a name. Suppose it is written ANE. So prefix will be added before it. Means meth plus ANE. Okay. So you have to see here and remember it that elements containing one carbon atom is written with the prefix meth. Elements with two carbon atoms is written with the prefix eth. So it is written before the word which is ANE for alkane. Okay. Now elements containing three carbon atom is written with the prefix prop. Elements with containing four carbon atom is known as written with but. Elements containing five carbon atom is written with pent. Elements containing 6 carbon atom is written with the prefix hex. Elements containing 7 carbon atom is written with prefix hept. Elements containing 8 carbon atom is written with the prefix oct. Elements containing 9 carbon atom is written with the prefix non. Elements with containing 10 carbon atom is written with dec. So you have to remember all these to get the naming and structure. Okay. The first question says that you have to write the formula of methane and draw the structure. Now, how you will write the formula? So I told you that alkane has a formula that CnH2n plus 2. Now what is this N? This N is number of carbon atoms. Now how will you know that how many carbon atoms are there in this element? You will see that it is written with meth. Meth, I told you that it is written only when the elements contain one carbon atom. So you can understand that this compound methane has one carbon atom. Why? Because it is written with the prefix meth, and we know that meth is only written when the elements contain one carbon atom. So you can write here number of carbon atom is 1. Now how we will write the formula? You will write the formula by CnH2n plus 2. Now I told you that N is number of carbon atom, and number of carbon atom we have already found. How? By seeing this prefix. Now as we have found this number of carbon atom, we can generally put in this formula and get the formula. So here it is written Cn, where it is written C1. Why? Because number of carbon atom is 1. H2n plus 2, H2 into 1 plus 2. Why 2 into 1? Because 1 is the number of carbon atom, and here it is written N. In place of N we are writing 1. So C1, it is coming here C, H2 into 1, 2 plus 2, 4, CH4. We have got the formula. Now we will do the structure. How we will draw the structure? Now you can see here it is only written C, means it has only one carbon atom. So we will write it here C. And here it is written H4, means 4 hydrogen atoms are there. So we will write these 4 hydrogen atoms here. And you should always know that alkene means single bond. Alkene means it always contains single bond. Okay. So here it is containing 6 single bond. Now what does that mean? That one carbon atom which has a valency of 4. So it is sharing 4 atom with this 4 hydrogen atom. So the valency for carbon is satisfied, and we know that valency of hydrogen is 1. So each hydrogen atom is sharing one hydrogen atom with this carbon. So the valency is satisfied, and it contains single bond, and single bond is represented with dash, a single dash. This means a single bond. Why? Because it is sharing only single bond. Okay, so you can see here two questions. The first one we have already done. Write the formula and draw the structure of methane, which we have already done. The formula is CH4 and we have drawn the structure. Now The second one is telling write the name and draw the structure of C2H8. So how will you write the name? Okay, first of all, you see it is given C2. This means number of carbon atom 2, because it is given C2. And what I told you, that what will be the prefix for number of 2 carbon atom? It will be, the prefix will be eth, ETH, eth. Now we will not only write eth, but since this is alkane, and you have to know that for alkane the suffix is suffix. Now suffix means which it will be added after something. So for alkane has suffix ane. So we will write the prefix plus suffix. So prefix is eth, suffix is ane. So we will write ethane. So you, as I told you, you have to remember that the prefix and the elements, and you have to remember the suffix. Now suffix for alkane is ane, because it contains only a single bond. I will later explain you what is alkene and alkyne and what the. So here we will now write the structure of, draw the structure of ethene. Okay, so it contains 2 carbon atoms. Always write at first write the carbon atom. You always have to at first write the carbon atom. Now C2 means 2 carbon atoms I have already drawn. Now there are 8 hydrogen atoms. So how we will draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now in the previous one I have shown you C, and there were 4 hydrogen atoms, but here you can see that the carbon is sharing 3, because it has 4 valences, so it is sharing 3 atoms with these 3 hydrogen atoms. So 1 atom is still left, so it will share with another carbon atom. So that is why I have not written 4 hydrogen atoms, but I have written 3 hydrogen atom and 1 carbon atom. So it is sharing 3 atom with this 3 hydrogen atom, and simultaneously the hydrogen atom is also sharing, each hydrogen atom is sharing one atom with this carbon, and this carbon has 1 valency left which it will share with this carbon. Now this carbon has 1 carbon atom from this, so it's only 1 valence is satisfied. Now remaining 3 carbon atom, so it will share the rest of the 3 atom with this 3 hydrogen atom, and simultaneously these 3 hydrogen atom will share each atom. So you can see this C, it has 4 valency, it is sharing 1 with this, 1 with this, 1 with this, and 1 with this. Again the hydrogen atom is sharing 1 with this, 1 with this, and 1 with this. So for hydrogen it is satisfied, for carbon it is satisfied. For this carbon it is sharing 1 atom with this hydrogen, this and this, so it is also satisfied. This H is sharing with this carbon, this is also sharing with this carbon, and this is, so the valence is satisfied. So I have taught you how to write the formula and name and how to draw the structure for the organic compound. Now I will give you one more question. So as you can see, I have given the question, write the formula and draw the structure for heptane. Now you will do it yourself. How? By using the prefix. You will see heptane means how many carbon atoms are there. By getting the number of carbon atoms, you can naturally get that formula, and after getting the formula you have to just balance it and see that the carbon is satisfied and hydrogen is satisfied with their values. Thank you.